Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Turkish lira account Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities, across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. At number 4 on our list is IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform, providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features. and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a global investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, it offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including Forex, stocks, bonds, options, futures, and ETFs. With access to over 70,000 instruments, Saxo Bank provides competitive pricing, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools to suit both retail and institutional traders. Its comprehensive product offering enables investors to diversify their portfolios and execute trades efficiently on world-class trading platforms. Saxo Bank provides powerful and intuitive trading platforms designed for traders and investors of all levels. Its flagship platforms, Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro, offer seamless access to global markets with advanced charting tools, risk management features, and in-depth market analysis. Saxo Trader Go is a user-friendly web-based platform ideal for traders who need flexibility, while Saxo Trader Pro is a professional-grade platform with customized workspaces and advanced trading functionalities. Both platforms deliver a high-performance trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring efficiency and precision for all users. Saxo Bank offers a variety of trading account types to suit different investment needs and trading styles, which include the Saxo, Joint, Corporate, Professional, ISA, SIPP, Trust, and Demo account types, with 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic account is designed for casual traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads. The Platinum account caters to more active traders, offering enhanced support and additional benefits such as lower costs and higher leverage. For professional traders, the VIP account provides premium services including personalized support, exclusive tools, and tailored pricing. Each account type is designed to offer flexibility, advanced features, and optimal conditions for traders at every level. The broker provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. Through the Saxo Academy, clients can access a wide range of learning materials, including video tutorials, webinars, in-depth articles, and expert insights. The platform covers essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform navigation. Whether beginners or experienced traders, Saxo Bank's educational resources empower users with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate global financial markets effectively. At number 2 on our list is Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets, established in 2009, is a trusted global broker offering over 1,000 instruments. Traders can access the markets through a variety of trading platforms for a smooth trading experience. Vantage is known for its reliability and excellent customer support and provides localized services to meet traders' needs, alongside tailored services to make trading easier and more effective. The broker offers access to a wide range of instruments, catering to traders of all levels. Their offerings include Forex with major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, global indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, precious metals such as gold and silver, energy commodities like crude oil and natural gas, as well as soft commodities including coffee, sugar, and cotton. Traders can also access ETFs, share CFDs from major global companies, as well as government and corporate bonds. This extensive selection allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across global markets. Vantage Markets offers a variety of trading platforms to suit different trading styles. The Vantage application allows mobile access to over 1,000 markets, while the MetaTrader platforms provide advanced charting, technical tools, and automated trading. ProTrader, powered by TradingView, offers customizable charts and analysis, and traders can also use copy trading or demo accounts to practice and replicate successful strategies. Each platform is designed to deliver a smooth and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types to suit traders of all levels. The Cent account is ideal for beginners with small deposits, while the standard STP account provides direct access to institutional spreads and fast execution. More experienced traders can choose the Raw ECN account for minimal spreads or the Pro ECN account for the fastest execution and full pricing transparency. Additionally, Vantage offers a swap-free account for traders who prefer to avoid overnight swap charges. Each account is designed to provide the features and tools needed for a flexible and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of free educational tools through the Vantage Academy, designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Beginners can start with structured online courses covering the fundamentals of Forex, CFDs, and stock trading. For deeper insights, the Bloomberg ebook, Trading Places, provides expert guidance on navigating financial markets. Traders can also access webinars led by market analysts, offering real-time analysis and strategies. Additionally, educational videos, podcasts, and a glossary of trading terminology are available to enhance learning. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic world of trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Turkish lira account Forex brokers, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Turkish lira account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.